here so I can see if it's filming me? Is it on now? Yeah. Oh god. Okay, we're good. I just need a picture. Oh! Now we have to forget about the camera. It's like natural.
But I'm already almost done eating, are you?
What'd you say?
Yes. Can't catch you. I'll never win an Oscar.
Stop it! I have bluebell vanilla or gelato. It's mint.
Gelato, but not very much. It's like somebody put up the camera here. Should we stop and like eat the ice cream?
Stay there. Were you finally? I should have known. Get after it.
My belly was a bubble.
Am I supposed to believe that?
What?
Am I supposed to believe that?
Your eyes look high. You look
This is Eddie Cochran, speaking from the station with the big sound all year round.
I can't believe there's like 2 prostitution rings right in Westview.
Right now. I wonder if the other one, like, it's supposed to, the name of it is Awesome Spa. Should we go?
Yes. Is it open still?
Oh,
Is it like awesome spa? I mean, like, is there specialty kind of thing?
Awesome Spa? Yeah, girl. A little ooh la la.
So like every man who went in there, like, what
No.
about a spa?
Well, from the way I understand it, that prostitution, or like whorehouses run, is you go in and you get your massage, and then your first time they might be like, do you want anything else? And that's where you decide. They fill you out.
You're in the massage.
So good. Oh, this is Italian ice cream. Gelato. What? It's Mediterranean mint.
Me too. What if I then ate it?
I'll believe it.
Maybe the most boring video ever. Wish what?
I wish that you knew how to swing dance with me.
Oh, I see it.
Alright, that's right enough for that.
California wind, always gave me my love.
Can we watch it? Okay. I have really worked cramp. Like upper stomach cramp. All like for hours earlier today.
What? Did you go?
My stomach was cramping so badly. At one point I went to the restroom and I pooped and then it was fine. And like 30 minutes later, it happened again and for like an hour straight in the middle of a rush when I'm trying to make drinks. I'm like practically doubled over in pain. And then finally, and I told my coworker, I was like,
Listen,
I thought I really am just gonna have drinks. I was like, I told her, I was like, this is that kind of pain. Like it's really, really, really bad. She was like, you should go to a doctor. And I was like, no, I think it's like gas. And then
the
finally,
iron balloon is
my
made to
smell.
strike to me.
I'll tell you what. It smelled so bad. So I'm the one like making drinks, and I'm like, oh my god. And it like, I mean, it wasn't. I thought it might be a little wet, so I was a little nervous, but I checked. It's fine, you know. Like, it was dry or whatever. Like, it felt like it could have been one of those, you know, a shark. Yeah, but it wasn't. But it smelled so bad. I hope nobody that like I was getting drinks too nervous because it went away really fast, you know.
It's like all the potency packed into that one.
I had to like we're in the middle of a rush and I had to go tell Jordan like so she's getting coffee and I came up to her and I was like I just farted. Like I was like my stomach feels better when I farted. It smells really bad though. She was like good.
That's so funny. She seems cool.
Yeah, I like her. She just turned 21 like a couple weeks ago. We got drinks Thursday night and she worked at that Montessori school. Like when she was 20 for a year, 19, so.
Cool. And then she was just in Russia, right?
Like you already know what this means for 1 month.
Yeah. What was she doing there?
Oh, she volunteered like a year ago to like work at an orphanage in Russia. They have people come and like work there. Kids or whatever, yeah.
What did she think?
She hated it. Honestly, because you know how happy she is?
Not anymore. Okay.
Well, she's just like always smiling and stuff. Apparently in Russia, you're not supposed to smile in public. Like people didn't, like they don't trust you until like people didn't like her because she was too like happy, like Russians do.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Okay.
Big cultural difference. And then she was with like 2 other girls from America who like super Christian. And she wanted to like go out and have fun like occasionally, but then she felt like she shouldn't because like you know, she's working in an orphanage and then like she didn't want to like go out and like
We have to over.
yeah, and the 2 girls like she felt like I guess kind of like you know, it was really unsafe to go out alone, so she wanted to go out with them, but then like, you know, they wanted to go like one night they like agreed to go dancing, but then like, cause she had like a friend who happened to be staying in St. Petersburg, and he's like, yeah, we'll go to this like club or whatever, but then he was like, oh, actually it's more of a bar, and she told the girls they didn't want to go, so she like never didn't even end up going out, you know? Cause it's unsafe to go out at night, I guess, in Russia alone. Yeah, so that really sucked for her. That's where she actually had her 21st birthday.
Oh.
It was Russian music, so they drink a lot of it until they're born.
Yeah. I hear that's what breast milk is. Russia. I heard that Scully is Russian for breast milk.
It's actually Russian for baboon's milk because they think it's shit.
For what?
Baboon's milk. I just talk. I